Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, we are from group 1. In this video, we will talk about e-learning integration for ELT. But before that, let me introduce my group members. The first one is Safina Anindya Melani as the first speaker. And the second one is me, Alifin Nur Afriani, as a moderator and the second speaker. And next is Salsabila Perdana as the third speaker. And next is Kezia Marcella as the fourth speaker. And the last one is Rizky Aliasyam as the last speaker. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity. And I will explain about introduction to e-learning. In the ELT, e-learning has transformed English language teaching or ELT by integrating technology to enhance learning. It offers flexibility, personalized learning, and access to various digital tools and resources. Students can engage in interactive multimedia, virtual classrooms, and AI-driven apps, promoting immersive language practice and instant feedback. This evolution addresses modern learners' needs and allows educators to create dynamic courses, making language education more interactive and effective. A. Definition of e-learning. E-learning or electronic learning utilizes the internet and digital devices for education. It includes online courses, virtual classrooms, multimedia presentation, and more. E-learning offers flexibility in accessing educational content and enables remote interaction with instructors and peers, making learning versatile and convenient. B. Significance of e-learning in ELT. E-learning has revolutionized ELT by offering accessibility and breaking down geographical barriers. It promotes learner-centered education through personalized learning paths and adaptive assessments. Multimedia and interactive content enhance engagement, and educators can use technology to create dynamic instructional materials. This approach makes language education more accessible and effective, fostering better language acquisition. C. Evolution of e-learning in language teaching. E-learning in language teaching has evolved from basic online resources to sophisticated interactive platforms using multimedia and AI. Early stage focused on simple text-based materials, but advancements introduce multimedia elements like audio and video for authentic language input. AI and machine learning have enabled personalized learning experiences. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated this shift, making virtual classroom and online collaboration essential in language instruction. Okay, the next topic is pedagogical foundation. Pedagogical foundation are the principles guiding effective teaching and learning practices. This foundation include educational psychology, learning theories, instructional strategies, and curriculum development. Understanding these principles help educators design meaningful learning experiences, assess students' progress, and adapt teaching methods for optimal outcomes. A. Learning theories in ELT. Learning theories shape language instruction in ELT, with each offering a unique perspective on language acquisition. Behaviorism focuses on observable behaviors and reinforcement, used in drills and repetition exercises. Cognitivism emphasizes internal mental processes, encourage activities stimulating critical thinking and social interaction. Constructivism promotes active learning and real-world language experiences like project-based learning. Connectionism suggests language learning through association between words and concepts, informs vocabulary acquisition strategies. Sociocultural theory highlights the role of culture and social interaction in learning. Input hypothesis suggests language learning occurs with comprehensible input slightly beyond the learner's level. Task-based language teaching, or TBLT, uses meaningful tasks to foster language acquisition. B. Blended learning and its role in ELT. Blended learning combines traditional classroom teaching with online learning to create a flexible learning environment. Key components include in-person instruction, online resources, and self-paced modules. Its role in ELT includes providing individualized learning paths, enhancing engagement through multimedia and interactive content, offering flexibility and accessibility, supporting diverse learning styles, facilitating assessment and progress tracking, providing cultural and contextual immersion, preparing students for digital communication. Blended learning combines the benefits of in-person and online instruction, making it a valuable approach for language education. Thank you.
Okay, next is e-learning integration for English language teaching, or ELT. So in this topic, I will talk about 5 points, which is the first one is learning management system, LMS, and the second one is online language learning platform, and the third one is mobile apps for language learning, and the fourth is gamification in language learning, and the last one is virtual reality or VR in ELT. So let's dig into the first topic. Okay, the first one is learning management system, or LMS. LMS are digital platforms that streamline the administration, delivery, and assessment of educational courses. They offer features like content management, user management, course creation, and delivery. Tools such as quizzes and assignments facilitate interactive engagement, while reporting and analytics help track learning progress. LMS can integrate with other tools and provide mobile accessibility, making them essential for modern education. And the second one is online language learning platforms. These platforms provide learners with flexible and effective ways to learn new languages. They offer a variety of courses with interactive materials, adaptive learning algorithms, and gamification elements to enhance motivation. The third one is mobile apps for language learning. Mobile apps offer a convenient way to learn languages on the go. They include interactive lesson, vocabulary exercise, and pronunciation practice, often with a gamified approach to enhance engagement. Some popular language learning apps include Duolingo, Rosetta Stone, Babbel, Memrise, Mango Languages, Pimsleur, Tandem and HelloTalk, Busuu, Anki, Lingodeer, and Drops. These tools and technologies have revolutionized language learning by providing diverse, flexible, and engaging ways for learners to acquire new languages. The fourth is gamification in language learning. Gamification involves integrating game-like elements into language learning to enhance engagement and motivation by using challenge, rewards, and interactive exercise. Gamified platforms make learning more enjoyable. And the last one is virtual reality, or VR, and augmented reality, or ER in ELT. VR and ER technologies are transforming English language teaching, or ELT by providing immersive and interactive experience. Okay, for VR in ELT is virtual language immersion, stimulate conversation, virtual field trips, and language game and quizzes. Next one is augmented reality ER in ELT is interactive learning materials, language translation, ER flashcard, cultural and historical exploration, and collaborative learning. Both VR and ER offer innovative ways to make language learning immersive and engaging, enhancing both the enjoyment and effectiveness of language acquisition. While these technologies are still evolving, they hold great potential for future language education.
Designing effective e-learning courses. Designing effective e-learning courses involves a strategic approach to maximize engagement and facilitate knowledge acquisition. Here are the key elements. 1. Clear learning objectives. Set specific goals that guide the course and assessment. 2. Engaging content. Use visual appealing, concise content with multimedia elements like videos and interactive simulations. 3. Interactive activities include quizzes, assignments, and discussion to encourage active participation. 4. Structure modules. Organize content into logically sequenced modules to build on prior knowledge. 5. Clear navigation. Ensure an intuitive interface for easy access to material and tracking progress. 6. Assessment and feedback. Design assessment aligned with objective and provide timely feedback. 7. Adaptability. Cater to diverse learning styles with flexible content and assessment options. 8. Accessibility. Make content accessible for all learners, including those with disabilities. 9. Collaborative opportunities. Foster community through group project and discussion. 10. Regular updates. Keep content current by periodically reviewing and updating materials. 11. Feedback mechanism. Establish channels for learner feedback and provide prompt responses. 12. Monitoring and analytics. Use data analytics to track progress and improve course design. 13. User testing. Conduct usability testing to identify and fix any issues before launch. 14. Engaging assessment strategies. Use real-world scenarios and projects to assess practical knowledge. 15. Support resources. Offer additional materials and reference to enhance learning. By focusing on these elements, educators can create e-learning courses that are engaging, accessible, and effective in promoting knowledge retention. Integration strategies. 1. Integrating e-learning into traditional classroom settings. Blended learning combines in-person instruction with online resources, offering a mix of face-to-face lessons and digital content. This approach provides flexibility, personalized learning, and access to a broader range of resources while helping students develop digital literacy skills. It enhances engagement and adapts education to the served learner needs. 2. Flipped classroom models. In this approach, students access instructional content like video lectures or readings at home, freeing up class time for interactive activities, discussions, and problem solving. The flipped classroom promotes deeper learning, student engagement, and a learner-centered educational environment. 3. Synchronous versus asynchronous learning. Synchronous learning involves real-time interaction through video conferencing or virtual classroom, offering immediate engagement and feedback but requiring specific online schedules. Asynchronous learning provides flexibility by allowing students to access material like recorded lectures and assignments at their convenience. Though it lacks the immediacy of synchronization, combining both approaches over a well-rounded educational experience. 4. Hybrid and online-only language courses. Hybrid language courses combine in-person and online components, offering a balance between direct interaction and self-paced digital learning. Online-only language courses conducted entirely online, offering maximum flexibility and convenience, ideal for learners with busy schedules or geographic constraints, though requiring strong self discipline due to limited direct interaction. 5. Using social media for language learning. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube can be used for language practice and immersion. Learners can follow native speakers, join language communities, and access the authentic content. Active participation through posts, language exchange groups, and interaction with native speakers fosters real world language use and cultural awareness.
Next is teacher role in e-learning. In e-learning, teachers take on expanded role to create an engaging and effective online learning environment. Their key responsibilities include first, content creator, developing online course materials including lectures, assignments, and multimedia research, ensuring alignment with learning objectives. The second is facilitator, guiding students through learning by providing explanation, answering questions, and flourishing discussion in virtual classroom. Third is assessor, design assessment, grading assessment, and providing feedback to monitor and ensure student mastery of learning outcomes. Fourth, technological support, assisting students with navigating the digital platform and troubleshooting technical issues. 5. Motivator, encouraging and motivating students to stay engaged and actively participate in online discussion and assignments. 6. Research curator, recommending supplementary online research to enhance understanding and exploiting of the subject. 7. Adaptation, adjusting teaching strategies to accommodate different learning styles and pacing. 8. Feedback provider, using data and student feedback to continuously improve course content and delivery. 9. Counselor and support, offering academic and emotional support, providing guidance on learning strategies and time management. 10. Facilitator of collaboration, encouraging collaboration and peer-to-peer learning through group project and discussion. This multifaceted role is crucial for successful learning, requiring teachers to be adaptable, teach-savvy, and supportive. 7. Challenges and solutions in learning for ELT. Learning in English language teaching offers many benefits but also presents several challenges. Here are key challenges and potential solutions. First, limited interaction. Reduced face-to-face communication can impact language learning. Solution: use live video conferencing tools for virtual classes and interactive activities to facilitate real-time interaction. 2. Technical issues. Lack of reliable internet and device can hinder participation. Solution: provide offline learning option and collaborate with local institutions to improve access to necessary technology. Third, lack of motivation. Learners may struggle with self-discipline in a virtual setting. Solution: implement gamification rewards and online communities to foster engagement and set clear goals with regular feedback. Fourth, language proficiency levels. Diverse proficiency levels in a single group can be challenging. Solution: use adaptive learning platform to customize content and provide additional support for varying levels. 5. Assessment and evaluation. Assessing speaking and listening skill online can be difficult. Solution utilize a mix of assessment method including oral assessment via video conferencing and peer evaluation. 6. Digital literacy. Some learners may lack necessary digital skill. Solution over digital literacy training and use intuitive learning platform. 7. Cultural and time zone differences. Diverse background and time zones require flexible scheduling. Solution provide flexible scheduling and asynchronous content and cultural inclusive materials. 8. Teacher training. Educators may need training in online teaching methods. Solution invest in teaching training and encourage sharing best practices among educators. 9. Data privacy and security. Protecting learners' data is crucial. Solution implement strong data privacy policy and use secure platform while educating about online safety. 10. Quality assurance. Maintaining quality in rapidly evolving technology can be challenging. Solution regularly update course content, gather learning feedback, and conduct evaluation to ensure high quality learning. By addressing these challenges, educators can create effective and engaging online LT experience.
8. Best practices in learning for ELT. To create an engaging and effective learning environment for English language teaching ELT, consider this best practice. 1. Clear learning objectives. Set specific learning goals for each lesson or module and communicate them to students. Interactive content. Use multimedia elements like video, audio, and quizzes to engaging learning and cater to various learning styles. User-friendly platforms. Choose intuitive learning platforms and ensure students and teachers are trained to use them effectively. Adaptive learning. Environment technology that adjusts content difficulty based on student professionally level for personalized learning. Regular assessment. Utilize a mix of assessment, including quizzes and oral evaluation, to monitor progress across different language skills. Feedback and support. Provide timely constructive feedback and offer additional resources for learners needing extra help. Collaboration learning. Encourage group project and peer interaction to foster communicating skill and culture understanding. Culture sensitive. Ensure content is inclusive and respectful of the diverse cultural background of students. Teacher presence. Maintain an active online presence to guide and support students, building rapport and engagement. Structure content. Organize methodologically into modules or unit for ease of navigation and understanding. Engagement strategies include gamification elements like badges and leaderboards to motivate students and promote active participation. Assistive technologies. Ensure accessibility by using assistive technology and providing alternative content formats for learners with disabilities. Regular update. Keep course content current with evolving language usage and culture trends. Professional development invest to ongoing teacher training for best practice in learning and ELT. Data analytic use analytic to track progress and identify areas needing improvement, making data-driven course adjustment. Privacy and security adhere to strict data protection policy to safeguard student information. And the last, flexibility. Offer flexible learning option include synchronous content to accommodate the first schedule and learning preference. Implementing best practice can help create an effective and inclusive learning experience for students in ELT. Future trend in learning for ELT: artificial intelligence, AI, and personalization. AI will enable customized learning experience by analyzing student data to provide tailored content and feedback. Immersive learning. VR and AR technology will offer immersive language practice environment, enhancing real-world language skills through virtual interaction and cultural simulation. Gamification and game-based learning. Educational games and gamification elements will continue to engage and motivate learners, making language acquisition more interactive and enjoyable. Natural language processing (NLP). NLP advancement will improve language assessment and chatbot interaction, facilitating more natural and context-aware learner interaction. Micro-learning. Short, focused lesson will address learners' need for quick, manageable content chunks, accommodating busy schedule and shorter attention spans. Global collaboration. Learning platforms will enable international connection among learners, fostering cross-cultural, enhancing and global communication skill. Mobile learning. Increased use of mobile device will allow learning to access language, research and listen on the go with mobile apps, and responsive design become crucial. Blockchain for credential. Blockchain technology will enhance the security and authenticity of language proficiency certification, ensure reliable and accessibility verification. Multimodal content. Content will be delivered through various media, including interactive video, podcasts, and virtual field trips to cater to different learning preferences. Data-driven insight. Advanced data analysis will provide deeper insight into learning behavior and performance, enabling educators to refine course content and teaching strategies. Edutainment and storytelling. Incorporating entertainment and storytelling elements into lesson will enhance engagement and make language learning more memorable. Culture sensitive and inclusive. ELT program will focus on cultural sensitive and inclusive, preparing learning for effective global communication by addressing diverse perspective and cultural nuance. Environmental sustainability. There will be an emphasis on sustainability practice in learning, from reducing data center energy consumption to using eco-friendly material in devices.
Okay, I think that's all from us. Thank you guys for watching our video. See you in the next video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.